Let's check out this question. Now, solve for the value of s and y in 3 raised to power s minus y equals 27. And 3 raised to power s plus y equals to 243. That means we were told to find the value of s and y in these two expressions. So you have 3s minus y equals to 27. Now from here, from the first expression, we can write it 27 in terms of 3. So this becomes 3s minus y equals to 3 raised to power of 3. Now 3 raised to power of 3 is equals to 27. So from here, the 3 can cancel 3. So you have s minus y to be equals to 3. So you can call this equation 1, the first equation. Now for the second part, you have 3s plus y to be equals to 243. Now we can also express this 243 in terms of 3. So it becomes 3s plus y to be equals to 3 raised to power 5. Your 3 raised to power 5 is equals to 243. So for me also, 3 can cancel 3. So you have s plus y to be equals to 5. So let's call this equation 2. Now remember, we're told to find the value of s and y. So we have equation 1 to be s minus y equals to 3, and equation 2 to be s plus y equals to 5. Now the best way to go about this is to solve simultaneously. We solve simultaneously, that is, we have s minus y equals to 3 and s plus y equals to 5. Now, for simultaneous equation, we still get to that part very soon. So you can either use elimination method, substitution method, or you use the graphical method. So the best way to go about this is just to use elimination method. So you have s minus y to be equals to 3. So and this is your equation 1. And you have s plus y to be equals to 5, which is equation 2. So to eliminate, instead of you eliminate your s, that is, you take away s in both cases, or you take away the y. So for me, let's add the two expressions together. That is, add equation 1 and equation 2 together. So when you have this, from equation 1, you have s plus s, so you have 2s. Minus y plus y, so you have what? That will be equals to 0. Like that is minus y plus y, that is 0. So half equals to 3 plus 5, which is 8. So from there, your s becomes 8 divided by 2. That is, divide both sides by 2. So 8 divided by 2. So s becomes 4. Now, you have got the value of s because 4. Now I want to find the value of y. So you can use any of the two equations. Well, okay, from equation 2, where you have s plus y to be equals to 5. Now, already you have your s to be equals to 4. So anywhere you see s, you put 4. So that will be 4 plus y equals to 5. Now from here, you can have your 5 to be equals to 5. Your y to be equals to 5 minus 4. And y equals to 1. So the two values are s equals to 4 and y equals to 1.